Hello guys, today we're playing MM2. Guys, you see I'm Lobot. MM2. Who is this girl? What the? What do you think? Hello guys, this is MM2 game. It's starting guys, it's starting insane. This guy is soccer. This guy is soccer. How guys? This is gay or not? Gonna report him. Don't. Yes. Yeah. Got reject. I don't care if I die. I don't care if I die. I don't care if I die. I rap bitch. Did you see that guys? Jesus. Sus. Among Us. Sus. Why YouTubers? What is this guy? Start only. Innocent guys. What the 4%? What the? Bye guys.